because we still have relationships or friendships, or we feel that somebody went over the top about something that they should went over the top about. I can't tell Cam Newton how to run. I try to tell them niggas.
What you would have did? You would have took it to the street, or you would have took legal action if that was your artist that did that too.
Yeah, well, so you wanted to ask me what I was doing.
Think a lot
to be true. Well, as far as we know, they didn't have any. I'm not saying he should do something at all, but this soon, you gotta be crazy, man. That's just my opinion. Sin City.
We done came a long way from Ice Cube saying I do my dirt by my lonely. It's not even, it's nowhere near that anymore. I mean, everything has to be like, I don't know what the thing is, like when they have to like publicize what they do. You know what I mean? Like, it's like what you said about the jury. They got to show like you rob a nigga, you show it. I don't get that aspect. It's kind of a sickness to me.
Yeah, I mean, that's because you grew up in an era where it wasn't nothing to say that the nigga was talking to Pooh Shiesty to get on his rap label. So he was telling Pooh Shiesty whatever he was selling him to get out of his contract. And while Gucci was over there but in jail, they tried to say that nigga fucked his wife. And then when he came home, he
keep left and appreciate the day.
Everything ultimatumly whatever this word will be, when you do this allegedly had happened.
That's quote unquote, that's not allegedly.
Yeah, they related, so that's the whole speculational conversation.
Niggas' grandmother's house has got
on television. Yeah, all right.
Fuck out here. Just gonna fuck out here and need the money right off and shit. Damn.
Well, another that's going on between some celebs. Offset got shot. Lil TJ came out the precinct, saying that, Offset know this, and then he put some DMs out there. And what y'all think about that situation? That's out there.
Yeah, shout out Offset. I don't know Lil TJ, and shout to him, but he got locked up for disorderly conduct.
In 0.1 miles, exit right. Exit right.
Count me how. Snitches say he shot him and all this other shit, but he actually just went to jail for disorderly conduct. And Offset, I don't see him a lot, but we see each other. We're really, really cool. Really, nothing but respect. I will say this though.
He gets all nervous and startled all of a sudden because nobody want to ask for the money, and then you get the money, and then the nigga who got the money, who's supposed to pay the nigga, that didn't want to pay the nigga, get mad that he had to pay the nigga. Going back to the shit Cam was talking about, if you being a journalist, when you mention something, how the person get mad because he mentioned it. So why the man who got to pay the money get mad because he got to pay it? You know what I'm saying?
Let me see.
But you probably, I don't know, sometimes you just gotta grab them by the...
You just translated that for some, basically, what you're trying to say.
I get so much joy from being able to help people and brighten their day.
Just parking for
and
the
that'll
event?
be my aim as we travel today.
You don't mess around with the money.
Listen, man, anybody who act like I jerked them or didn't pay them is just liars. Over the years, I just refuse to engage in bullshit, so sometimes I don't even respond to it. The only time people get mad at me that I work with is when they lose the money. When I say lose it, they don't know how to budget it. I'm not their accountant. So I can't think of a rapper that I work with. I'm trying to think, maybe, the only person I say is maybe because he went to jail is Hell Rap, that didn't buy cars and moved to Jersey. Everybody I work with got cars and moved to New Jersey. Before you met me, you wasn't copping cars and you wasn't living in New Jersey. Every last nigga that I work with cop cars.
Hello?
Moved to New Jersey.
Is the parking for the event?
Yeah, you can go and see. If not,
next year.
you can park right behind
They
that
forgot
vehicle
that
right
they
there.
leased
Okay.
In 0.1 miles, turn right.
Was coming and the price of gas was gonna go up. Nigga, kill guy.
Ooh, okay. Okay.
We'll do it after. Stacked up right. Make grilled cheese breaks, even eggs, milk, and butter in the right place. So I won't get more eggs on my face between you and me. We'll find a plenty or beef or eat between me and you. We'll get delivery through. Jimmy, don't do that, baby.
Not there. Sorry? Not there. You're wandering off.
No. It's not garbage. It's like tripod. Mommy over there. Cool. Oh. See. Got our food court. It will we play Tommy toy. Did in mine, by the way.
You're all right.
Dolly. Dolly.
But I don't want there. I'm gonna want it there.
Did all the kids play with Tommy toy?
Hello.
Hello. That's a play wheel. Yeah, that's mine.
KJ.
That for little kid. Huh? I had him.
You had him?
That mine.
What?
Bobby. That mine. Yo, tôi thăm 12 guys.
Side to side. Down and out.
Sorry.
Side to side. There you go. Yes. Down and up.
Nine.
Heel.
You get closer.
Pull down.
Watch out, RJ. Yeah, that's good right there.
Pull down. Air guitar.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you?
Heels.
Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just move.
Everybody hands.
Just make me just make me just make me
Yes. Now, this next song, another classic. Bruno Mars. Everybody clap to the beat.
Good job.
Yes. To the
Up and down.
Nine. Nine. Like that.
drum it out, drum it out.
We got the one.
You recording?
I record it. I do it every time. I go there all the time, man. No. Where Tommy picture at? Okay. Okay. Hi, Tommy.
I'm going to pick up the pick up the pictures.
Yeah.
If you don't want to waste time waiting in line, if you want to go back, I'll find.
Go back.
If you want to.
Okay.
Or you can stay in line with me to pick up the pictures, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
But we only got another 20 minutes before we get on the train.
Okay.
So you can stay in line here and wait till I get all the way over there to pick up the pictures, or you can go back and walk around.
Okay.
And I'll come find you with the pictures.
Okay. Ooh. No. Okay.
I think you can go RJ?
Yeah.
I think you can go over here.
Okay.
If you want to.
Jane.
It looks like
Why is
they
this?
have containers on ships. They're things that are getting unloaded from the water, so they can put them on trains.
What's that?
I go to a gift shop.
There's the passenger card. You want to go inside?
Go to a gift shop now. I'm going at the where a gift shop at. I'm gonna buy something for the all the time in. How many stuff go get RJ? Hey, I don't know yet. I am definitely not sure what I'm gonna get for the though. Ooh. Go to a gift shop. I go to a gift shop. Okay, I go ask for that guy. I go ask the people. Hi, excuse me. We're a gift shop.
What job?
The gift shop. The gift shop.
You see where that flag is over here where Thomas is? See that big flag?
Yeah?
That's Thomas. That's where the gift shop is.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Awesome. Looking at the train.
The gift.
Right here, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay?
Oh, you coming in?
Come in.
Okay.
Thank you.
And then you get a free prize after you visit them. Does that make sense?
Oh, I got stuff.
So for the little ones,
No. 8 minis in a case.
I will park there and get white. Okay, guys, I go find that now. We about to get a train about a couple of minutes. So I go find that. I found him.
you want to hold it?
Yeah, hold it.
Where are we going to
Hey, look who it is.
Oh.
Look at that, the silicone face covering is very realistic.
He voiced me back. He went to voice back.
You want to hold your back?
No.
What you say?
He voiced me back.
Jeremy, I want to take a quick picture.
Hello.
How long is the ride? How long is the train ride? 15 minutes?
red button does. Red lever. What is that? Is that a button? What does that do?
What does that do?
I don't know. Or is it like a hose thing?
What does
What do I do? I work. I'm a survey statistician. I work.
Well, pay show.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's
So
your-
what do you want? So what do you want, RJ?
Okay.
Maybe we could set it like try to find one of these.
Which way is the train gonna leave?
Hey guys, we are train now.
Take you on the best train ride ever. A musical train ride. With lots of music, songs, and fun to enjoy along the way. Did you know that this is how trains go? When you grow, they make a musical sound. Why don't we start our experience by all using our wings together? Lift up your arms as if you're holding on to a 10-horse train heading down to the ceiling. Look up and down and make a train whistle.
PP.
Oh, I think we're ready to leave. Let's listen to some music to get this musical train ride started. Here we go. Goodbye, everybody at the station. This musical train ride is ready to go. See you soon. was a great song, wasn't it? Did you hear the bit about Percy and me being best friends? Percy has always been my best friend. He's so kind and helpful. Just how best friends should be. Friends are like music. They can lift your spirits and make you feel really happy. So happy sometimes that it makes me want to sing. Why don't we all smile our biggest smile and sing and clap along to this next song all about friends.
Yeah. No.
Right now, you want to take them out.
You're all really good at clapping. Listen, clap along in time with a musical beat. Did you know we endings work together in perfect harmony?
You went watch another bag. You know you got one.
Musical notes.
What?
Why you ain't just do the bag you had? Instead of buying another one.
Because, well, I like doing new things.
Yeah, but you like wasting money. Now you don't have no money. And you spent it on something you already had.
No, it's a new bag, not an old bag.
It's still the same bag.
Thank you. I will hold it.
I hope you're all having a fun return stay on a musical train ride. I'm having a great laugh. Hey, speaking of laughs, you want to hear a joke? What is a balloon's favorite type of music?
I don't know.
Music. Get it? Let's listen to this next song as we continue our musical journey.
about to be out now.
The oldest railroad in the world, yes sir.
Even with the Yankees, still thank for riding.
And they're winning. They're winning. Now they got second and third one out. Can't walk people. Walking people. Thank you. Thank you. See what else we can do over here.
You bought some drums?
Yeah.
The pool is inside, not outside.
Okay.
You don't have to go.
I will go. We'll go a week tomorrow. We'll go back to New York.
11 o'clock.
11, okay. You got a picture?
Do I have the pictures?
Yeah.
They didn't look good. I didn't get them.
Huh?
They didn't come out good.
I want them.
But they didn't come out good, son.
Oh.
That's why you got them on your phone.
Okay.
Right? Did you look at the picture of Sir Topham Hatt?
Yeah.
Did you look?
Yeah.
They came out all right, right?
Right.
So you don't need those.
Okay. You throw your garbage?
No, I saw it on their computer.
Oh, I wanted them.
You wanted to?
I wanted them. I wanted the picture.
You wanted the picture?
Yeah, I wanted them. I could keep them.
Well, it wasn't, they didn't print it out. It was on the computer. I saw it on the computer. And because it didn't look good, I didn't buy it. We can go, but that line is going to be, you see all these people?
Never mind.
You took a selfie and you took, and then I took another picture with you with this, so I thought you would be okay.
Okay.
You gotta wait your turn.
Huh?
Gotta wait your turn.
You told me.
Logan.
Bye. Waco. Yeah.
Yeah, we see it.
Hi, Tom, and bye, Tom, and.
Hello, everybody. What a special day. Thank you for coming to visit me today at Day Out with Thomas. I'm so excited to be with all my friends. You can join me for my most exciting adventure yet. Let's go for a ride.
Thomas is talking. Let's finish talking.
Okay, with a food court ad. Oh, hello.
Hello.
That,
Oh no, he has so many.
no. I ain't showing him mine.
Oh, he's showing. These are cool.
Thank you. He an autistic?
Yeah.
Me too.
Oh, okay, cool.
Tell me, what's your name? Charles Waters.
My name RJ.
Andre.
RLJ.
RJ.
Yeah, hello.
RJ.
Bye.
Have a good day, all right?
Alright, yeah.
All right, you ready?
Got me.
Okay.
I said show him my
I
train.
know. Okay. It's in mine. Okay.
Thank you.
Go birds.
Hi, Tom, man. Bye, Tom, man. I probably have it older, Larry. Yeah, we could go now.
It's up to you. We're not in a rush. Whatever you want.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready. I think you can look at those if you want to. I don't know if you want to.
Okay, we can go now.
We can go now?
Yeah.
You sure?
I sure.
This is because you're ready to go, not because I'm ready to go. This is today's for you, so these days as long as you want to stay.
Okay.
But you want to see the hotel, don't you?
Huh?
I said, but you want to see the hotel, don't you?
Yeah. No, yeah. I think it's cold in.
Oh, they said it's cold. Oh, we were supposed to go early.
Oh, well,
No, that's closed.
okay.
That's what she's saying. She's saying they're not letting nobody else in.
I gotta go take a pee. We're not going in, but wow, cool. Bye, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. Bye, Tommy. I did it, and we're leaving now. We are leaving now, guys.
We did it. Mr.
Hi, Tommen. Bye, Tommen. Thank you, Dad. Tell me on the Twitter. I love you.